Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you how to grow on YouTube with community posts. Please drop a like or subscribe if this video helped you. The first step growth through community posts is to always use the polls function. Polls get on more people's recommended since viewers will have 3 opportunities to interact with your post. Normally you would only be able to use 2 interactions, liking and commenting. These help YouTube suggest your content to others. Yet with polls, there's a third choice of interaction, selecting one option from a poll, so therefore they will be recommended to more people than your videos since there's 3 ways to interact with them and you are almost always guaranteed to get people who see these to vote one option. The second step is to upload a few YouTube Shorts videos about the kind of content you will focus your channel around. Make sure to use tags so they are able to be found on search and give your channel's videos a broader amount of search terms. A few should be enough. I did 2 or 3 and went from getting 200 votes to over 1000 every single time several months ago. The third step is an extremely efficient trick I only recently found works, so have not used it to the fullest yet. You will need to find a community of content creators that will share your posts if you share theirs. This will help both of you gain votes and will get you into many of the person you share with's subscribers' recommendation page. As you gain in votes, you should gradually stop sharing with people who get little votes and start sharing with content creators who get lots more votes. If you want to skip all the early steps, ask a creator who gets hundreds of thousands of votes to share your posts. Many will do this but for an amount of money, probably around £5. Which is approximately $4, €4 or 500 rupees. I will link some of these people who will share for money in my description. Back to the free method, if you keep on doing share for share and you will eventually start averaging several hundreds of thousands of votes. Bear in mind that this will take over a month for you to increase your votes this much. Here I will show some examples of creators who aren't that big, yet have used this to grow their community posts. This proves that subscribers don't really affect community posts recommendation, similar to YouTube Shorts. The fourth and final tip is to not post them too much, because if you do your viewers will get tired of them and stop your polls from being recommended to them. I would say do 1 to 2 a day maximum, and once you start getting over 10,000 votes switch to 1 a day for good. Do things like find the emoji, quizzes for your viewers, or interest polls. But always make sure your community posts are polls. And that's it. I have also linked several channels for each step in terms of amounts of votes you can achieve for you to do share for share with. Thanks for watching, and please like if this helped you.